Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to insert shapes to your presentation using the PowerPoint application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Tap on the plus icon down below, which is the second option, and by scrolling down you will see that you have a vast variety of options concerning the templates that you can choose from. Click on the relevant one that you would like to use, then tap on the A icon at the top of the screen and this pencil image. Then in the middle of the screen you can find this home category. Tap on it and select the second option, insert. Now scroll down till you find these shapes option, click on it. As you can see, there are a bunch of shapes that you can choose from, organized into several categories such as block arrows, basic shapes, rectangles, lines, and flowchart shapes, stars and banners, and so on. So if you would like to insert any of these into your slide, just simply click on the relevant one that you want to use. Now, as you can see, it has been added to your slide. You are free to to style the shape itself by selecting theme styles. Presets are also available, so click on the relevant one. You can also fill it in by using theme colors or standard colors. You can also outline your shape. You can select the word art styles. However, it's a premium function. You can also arrange it, meaning that you can bring it forward, backwards, bring to front, or send to back. You can also rotate it right to the left side, flip it vertically or horizontally. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing and see you in the next video. Bye bye.